Forged in fire, it gleams in the night. In hands of the mighty, it turns wrong to right. Whispering secrets of battles once fought, a dance in the chaos where legends are caught. A drop as the memory of kingdoms that have waned. It echoes through time, their power unchained. Swift in the hand of the fearless and bold. In truth lies the steel that no heart can withhold. Swords on the rise, carving stories untold. Masters of fate with a grip that won't fold. The clang is a rhythm, the sparks are their song. In truth lies the steel that no heart can withhold. Swords on the rock, through the dim-lit sky, cutting the silence where shadows lie. It laughs at the armor, it thirsts for the foe. No mercy it offers, no grace it will show. Tempered by will, unshaken in heart, the blade and its master are never apart. They rise as a scorn, they fight as one soul. In the book of forever, they carve out their role. From mountain to valley, from ocean to land, it's the sword and the master who always will stand. But even the sharpest can dull